There's nothing to do at night. I just got home. Sayang yung hair natin. I'm gonna have to remove it. So boring. Do you live in Aqua po? No. No, I don't. Guys, I just did a giveaway. So we have a giveaway, an ongoing giveaway. Like free trip, free hotel, free activities, travel and tour, and flight to like Boracay, Puerto Princesa, Dubai, Siargao, Thailand. So like, if you guys want, join the giveaway. I posted about it. Ayan siya. Like, it's siya yung recent post ko. So, if you're interested, yan, ito siya. Yan, that one. The details are there. So, yeah, join kayo, sayang. Kasi sobrang daming mananalo. 100 people. So, habang pwede pang manalo. Join na. Anyway. Feeling a bit bored. Because got nothing to do today. I went to a birthday party. It was very nice. But, yeah. I don't know. I just want to chill. I don't want to go to a party. Parang hindi pantay yung hair. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Sa side na to. So yeah. Hi there, Miss Shanika. Magandang gabi sa'yo. Binibining kay ganda. Magandang gabi din sa'yo. I should start watching The House of the Dragon. Nakita ang outfit ko. From Mopi Clothing. I already ate dinner at the birthday party. Thank you. I love this outfit. Ito ang cute kasi di ba may ribbon sa likod. Ayan. Tapos natatanggal yung ribbon kung gusto mo mas plain and mas like corporate vibes. Pero ito siya mas cute. Kabit mo lang yung ribbon sa likod. Mas ang ganda nung quality ng outfit. Like, hindi siya ayun, ang ganda nung quality ng outfit. Hindi siya cheap. Hey there. Long-lasting ng makeup look ate. Thank you. So yeah, this is the fit. And then this is the bag. Where's the bag? Oh. This is the bag. Cute. Galing akong Manila Polo Club kanina. Slay Queen. Thanks. Kia Mercado. Hi Crush. Yeah. Captain. Mardi Parandy. Yeah, that's how my day went. Kinda wanna go buy some notebooks to like maybe study. I don't know. Feeling a little bit bored. Please visit Pampanga. Isang iko. Please visit me here in my house. Sabi niya, ayoko. Hi, Ka-Aviator. Hello. Captain. Isang A. Look at my watch. It's so nice. This one is from Coach. And it has like diamonds on it, and then it's like it's giving that luxurious feel, and then ito it's from Chario. Yun. Alright. Malahanap akong gagawin. Hey. Anong X? Hi, X. You're not my ex. Share your workout, guapa. I only do like leg days twice a week, and then yoga once a week, and then yeah, yun lang. Kaya na-realize ko na pag yung body mo pala in-overworkout mo, tataba ka. Kasi mag-retain ng water yung body mo. Meaning of your name, please. Skincare routine, please. Girl, lagi ako nagpo-post ng skincare routine. Hanapin mo na lang dyan. Hi, Magelala. Meaning of my name, alam ko nga, Islam or Arabic yung name ko. But I don't know why. So gorge, moms. Thanks. Blapper Jonas. Wow. Wow, sexy mo. Thanks. Sama-sama tayong board dito. Kwento ka naman. Wala nga akong makwento eh. Well, kanina, naglakad ako sa labas. May nanghingi ng number ko. Pero hindi ko siya type eh. Parang medyo matanda na siya. Oh my gosh! Alam ko na yung kikwento ko. Okay. Kilala niyo si Rigor? Yung trending sound sa TikTok. Si Rigor! Rigor! Basta yung Rigor! Basta yung Rigor, yung, oh my god, hindi ko alam. Basta yung trending, basta kilala niyo yung artistang yon. Kilala niyo kung sino siya. Guys, oh my gosh. Di ba may asawa yun? Should I be saying this? But, like, one time, nag-Dr. Wine ako. Sige, kilala niyo na siya. Nag-Dr. Wine ako, kasama ko yung friend ko. Tapos, pinakilala ako sa kanya. Tapos, like, ang cringe niya. Ang cringe talaga niya. Kasi, like, I feel like he was, like, flirting with me. Pero alam ko may asawa siya. Tapos parang, like, below 50 years old ka na. Like, bakit tina-target mo mga 20s? Tapos, na-board kami doon ng friend ko. So, sabi namin, alis kami. Like, pupunta kaming Rebel. Tapos, sumama siya. Sumakay pa siya sa car namin. Tapos, nagyabang siya. Sabi niya, I'm gonna run for politics. Ganon. Tatakbo daw siya for politics. Tapos sabi ko, like, akala naman niya may impress ako porque tatakbo siya ng politics. So sabi ko, really? Hindi kinausap ko siya, really? You're gonna run for politics? So like, what made you do this? Like, what inspired you to do this? Like, what is your plan what is your plan, especially since you're gonna have power and you're gonna have like the position? Yes, Shara? Yes, sister? Bakit? Bakit, sister? Bakit ka nag-sister? Anong hindi mo ako matawagan? Tumawag ka kaya? Ring me, girl. Anyway. So, nagaya pa siya. Sabi niya, tatakbo daw siya for politics. So, parang sabi ko, really? So, like, what's your plan for, since you're running for politics? Like, what do you have in mind? Tapos, sabi niya, hindi siya makasagot. Kasi hindi niya masagot yung tanong ko. Ate, ano realization mo after mo nag-college before po? Di ba ate siya pilot graduate ka po? Magkano sahod ng pilot? It depends kung anong airline and anong position mo. Sa Philippine Airlines, alam ko, nag-range 90 to 120. Sempak, AirAsia, alam ko mga nasa 180. Pag second officer, sa Sempak, AirAsia, first officer yun. Pag captain, alam ko mas mataas. I don't know. Anyway, going back to the story. Hindi siya makasagot. Hindi niya masagot kung anong plano niya. Dahil, ano realization mo after college? Wala. Like, yay, graduation. wala namang realization. Just that, I'm proud of myself. Nag-graduate ako. Siguro, ganon. Anyway, going back to the story, hindi siya makasagot. Sabi niya, nauutal siya. So, sabi ko, so, ganun-ganun na lang. Like, wala, kawawa na lang talaga yung Pilipinas. Gumanon ako. Kasi like, wala siyang plan eh. Sabi niya tatakbo siya, pero wala daw siyang plan. Hindi niya daw alam anong gagawin niya. So, sabi ko, di kawawa na lang pala talaga yung Pilipinas. So, sabi niya, hindi. It's because I'm an actor and I feel like this is my calling. Tapos sabi ko, what do you mean you're an actor? It doesn't mean that you're an actor and you're experienced and you're old. You have like what it takes to run for politics. Tapos sabi ko, hindi naman porket artista ka, dapat tumakbo ka na eh. Like, doesn't mean that you have what it takes. Ganyan. Tapos parang, eventually, sabi niya, tinext niya pa ako, sabi niya, na next time daw sasagutin niya na maayos yung mga tanong. Yung mga tanong niya. Ay, tanong ko. Pang beauty queen daw yung tanong ko. Sabi ko nga sa kanya na, you know what? Other people are gonna ask you what you actually run. Other people are gonna ask you more in-depth question. Dapat like may masagot ka. It's not beauty queen. Nakakatawa. Di ba sa WhatsApp? Ayan, sabi niya. Tapos, yeah, dapat nga, like preferably may background sa law. Wala eh. As in, tatakpan ko yung name niya. Kilala niyo siya eh. Ayun o. Kilala niyo yan eh. Ayun, si Rigor. Tapos nag-text pa siya. Nag-aaya. I'm like, no thanks. Parang, I don't mind being friends with like older people if like they're substantial. Like, okay kausap, may matututunan ka, and like okay kausap overall. Pero like yung mga ganon, it's just a waste of time, honestly. Yeah. Kilala niyo yan si Rigor. Yun lang naman yung chika natin. Search nyo kung sino si Rigor. Ate, nagpipilates po ba kayo ni Danica? Yeah, before nagpipilates ako. Kaso mahal niya. He got it from my friend. I didn't give it to him. He got it from, kasi may friend ako, mentor ko sa business. Friend niya. Kinuha niya sa kanya. That's why I didn't even respond. Miss Luna. Layo. Ha? Walang letters. Okay na ako dun sa binigay kong clue. Sobrang okay na ako dun. Not gonna entertain more clues. Why does he have your number? Miss Luna. Sino si Miss Luna? Who gets? Ate, last ko noon sa live mo. Tay, sayo ka naman. Ayoko nga. If you want, go to TikTok and watch people dancing. Ayun. Sayang yung hair and makeup ko. Wala akong pupuntahan. What's your fave perfume? Ito. I like Ariana Grande Cloud. I like Ate si Blight, ang bango ng mga perfume niya. Natry nyo na din po ba lahat yan? Ate, ano pa paborito niyo sa tatlo? Ito yung favorite ko. It reminds me ba of Love, Don't Be Shy, Kilian. Ito yung favorite ko. Hindi po, yung Stories for a Girl. Laging sinasabi ng mga friends ko ang bango ko. So, believe me when I tell you about perfumes. Stories for a Girl, mabango. Ang favorite ko din, Red Temptation ng Zara. As in, yun nyo guys, nakailang bote na ako. Sobrang, for me, kaamoy niya yung Baccarat. But, minsan na umay na ako kasi ang dami naka-Baccarat. So, gusto ko yung sweet version ni Red Temptation. Parang meron siyang leathery, musky na amoy na mas nakaka-addict. Kasi minsan masyadong amoy sugar to. So, yeah. I also like, YSL Soleil Blanc. Parang coconut naman yun. Favorite ni Danica rin yun. Pero hindi ko siya ginagamit kasi scent na ni Danica yun. Like, pagka naamoy ng friends namin yun, like Matic, si Danica na yun. So, parang bango din nun. Yun. Ito, okay din to. Golden Decade. Golden Decade. At saka Rose Gourmand. Rose Gourmand. Actually, bala ko maglabas ng pabango. On the talks kami right now. Nasa research and development kami. I wanna release a perfume brand. So, ayan. Kaya meron ako mga sample ng mga packaging dito, ng mga pabango. Ayan. Kasi, mag-release ako ng pabango. Pero secret lang natin yun. Kasi hindi ko pa sinasabi yan kahit kanino. Tapos ang ginagawa ko, sa akin, more on Baccarat. Ito, mabango din ito. Ito, Love Explosion. Ano to, halo ng Baccarat and Rose Gourmand. Ate, kahit friend niya si Blight, natry mo na ba minsan maghingi ng products or binibigyan ka pusa po? Kasali ako sa PR list nila eh. Binibigyan lang nila ako. Hindi ako nanghihingi ng products. Kasi like, if may friend ka, ba't kayo hihingi? Dapat support mo, bilhin mo. What brand yung animal print dress na post mo sa IG story? Shein. Shein lang yun. Ang ganda nga eh. Like, sobrang ganda. To the point na nung nagpunta akong Revel, ang daming pumuri ng outfit ko. Sabi, best dress daw ako. Yun. Pero ito, mabango to. Stories for a Girl. Ito yung pinakagusto ko nun. Tinatry nyo na din yung Diary of a Lady. Amoy lychee at rose. Yeah, meron akong maliit na vial nun. Kasi nung binigyan niya ako, pinadala niya ako ng maliliit nung iba. Pero ito talaga yung gusto ko. Stories for a Girl. Ang bango niya. Stories for a Girl. Gusto ko kasi parang may marshmallow siya. Gusto ko, I like smelling yummy. Tapos ito, guys, kahit anong pabango meron kayo, haluan nyo nito. Ito, haluan nyo nito. This is the most worth it lotion ever. Hanggang ngayon, naamoy ko pa rin na ang bango ko, ano siya, amoy cupcake. Amoy cupcake ka dito. So, ang ginagawa ko, ito lotion ko. Ito lotion ko. Tapos, pag naglagay ang pabango, mas tumatagal yung pabango kasi nag-lotion ako. Gusto ko yung amoy cupcake. How about the one you're wearing? Ito, this is from Mopi Clothing. Pinost ko to. Cute niya. Set siya. May ribbon pa siya. Hindi pa dito. Pero natatanggal siya. Anong recommend mo na perfume sa medyo mainit na lugar? Yung Soleil Blanc ng YSL. Medyo coconut yun. Mabango yun. Bango yung mga coconutty. O kaya carotene. Kasong carotene, medyo mabilis matanggal kasi mist lang yun. Ate, bibili din ako niyan para matry ko. Juicy pang Ellen Days. Anong brand yan, ate? Siya yung alin? Ang bango na. May konggang. Ate, anong timbang mo? Nakaka-inspire yung shape mo. 54, 53. Medyo nag-gain ako kasi 51 lang yung ideal weight ko. Pero it's fine. I'm not stressed out about it. Anyway, natry kong manood ng House of the Dragon. Tomorrow, anong schedule ko? Tomorrow, may meeting ako with Hezi and Mitch 3 at 2 p.m. Okay. Ate, ako 51 ako, pero maliit waist ko, pero mataba braso ko. Any tips? Pag mataba braso, alam ko mahilig sa sweets. Mahilig ka ba sa sweets? If mahilig ka sa sweets, tigilan mo na yan. Sweets ang pinakakalaban ng girls. Like, sensitive ang girls sa sweets. Like, sa sugar. Ang gusto ko manood. Set up natin yung TV. Kumain ka na, ate? Ano kinain mo? Ha? Isda? Miswa. Yeah, tigilan mo niyan, girl. Prioritize. Kaya pala sobrang hindi ko sa sweets mga biscuits. Where's Ate Love? Nasa bahay niya. Ate, panoorin mo yung World War Z. Like, tigilan mo niyan. Cause hindi okay sa health ang sweets. Tuloy ba appointment mo kahit pumapagyo? I told her to teach you Bisaya words. Guys, ganda mo. Thank you. Ako hirap magpapayat kasi may hypothyroidism. May gamot for that. Kasi ako, may PCOS ako and they're somehow related. Like, magpa-check ka dito sa BGC. Merong clinic. Pangalan My Kindred. Hindi sila mahal maningil. Sobrang okay sila. Like, Ako, ang main problem ko before nung hirap ako magpapayat. Mayroon po bang pag-aral ng freediving? Hi ate, no, madali lang. What can you say sa mga lalaki mamas boy? Grow up. Where's Danny girl? Bahay niya. So, ang recommend usually ng mga doctor for mga may hypothyroidism is merong gamot. Ito. Ito. Tsaka metformin. Tapos like, matutulungan kang bumilis yung metabolism mo at tsaka yung sugar control. Yun. Yung iba, nag-Ozempic or something. Gusto mo tayo? Or nagsasaksenda ba yun? Ano kayo nakabisihan mo lately? Work? Oh my God. May bastos. Guys, may bastos. Ate, nung nag-move out ka po, ilang taon ka? Nung unang beses na nag-move out ako, after high school, kasi yung school ko sa Pasay, ang layo ng Cainta sa Pasay. So, nag-move out na agad ako nun. Pero, yung parents ko, yung nagbayad ng place. Tapos, after ko graduate, bumalik ako sa bahay. Tapos, nag-move out uli ako. Kasi nag-work ako sa may airport nun. Tapos, nung nag-pandemic, bumalik uli ako sa bahay. Kasi like, scary. Ayoko mag-isa, gano'n. Tapos ngayon, umalis uli ako. Di ba kulang sa iodine yan? Ito, Betito, parang ngayon lang nakakita ng babae. Oo, taga-Rizal ka ba before? Skincare recommendations. But honestly, it depends sa concerns mo. Like, ano bang concern mo? Ako, ang concern ko is anti-aging, dry skin, pores, dark under eyes, dull skin. So, gusto ko glowing skin, pumiit yung pores, mabawasan ang dark circles, gano'n. So, what I did was nag-focus ako sa mga products na maayos yun. I'm watching from Mindanao. Hehe. Paano kayo nagkakalala ni Danny? Kasi isang birthday party, tapos nag-click lang kami. When are you planning to have a BF? Nakakamiss makita ka in love. Yoko na? Sakit sa ulo? Stress? Oh my gosh, you deserve no stress. Paano yung download yung HBO? Dito sa TV. Yeah, maganda talaga bahay nila Danny ka. Sobrang laki. And ang clean. Ate, nakaka-inspire. Oh my gosh. May nagtanong, ano update mo sa guy yung in-interview mo sa Staples? Nag-date kami. And it went well. Pero nagkita uli kami after nung date sa isang party. Tapos, nag-attitude siya. So, So, yeah. Hindi mo tawag. Hello? Sino to? Okay. Kuya Joey ko ba to? Okay po. So, mag-transfer lang ako tapos pupunta na kayo bukas. Sige po. Oh, agahan niyo, kuya, kasi madami akong papagawa. Opo. Pero, opo. Oh, sige. Sige, kuya. Sige. Okay. Hi, PJ. Peter. Okay. Sige, kuya. Papasok ko na po. Bye. Update. Naging ala-ala na lang. Peter, I'm going to Bali on the 14th to the 24th. Yun. So yun, nag-date kami ni Guy from Staples. Tapos nag-tantrum siya nung third time namin magkita. Nakaka-inspire ka. Yes, you don't need to be stress lang. Yung una lang masaya. Yeah. Marami ba naniligaw sa'yo? I wouldn't say naniligaw, but hi, that one. I wanna watch, paano ba mag-download ng app? Bakit? I believe I saw you in Ako last Saturday. Is that you? Yes, that was me. I have an apartment there. Bakit siya nag-attitude? Kasi nagselos ata siya. Kasi type ako ng friend niya. Tapos kausap ko yung friend niya. Tapos sabi niya sa friend niya, wag daw akong kausapin. Tapos sabi ko, bakit ang controlling mo? Kasi yun. Talaga, nakaka-turn off yun. Mabuti nakita mo na agad ang red flag. Yeah, mabait naman siya. And I guess, forgiving naman ako sa ganun. Like, cause like people are just human beings and they can, have relapse with emotions. But like, it still depends on how a person will act moving forward. Oo, binakuran niya ako. Na-off ako kasi binakuran niya ako. Red flag talaga, kaya mas okay yung same vision at mindset niyo. That's hard. You can never find someone who has like the exact same beliefs and mindset as you. So, dapat open ka to forgiveness and compromise. What are the chances you're gonna follow back me? Baka wala. Naging honest na ako. Kasi hindi kita kilala. Girl, pwede po manghingi ng meds, yung pampabil sa metabolism. Hirap po kasi ako dahil sa hyperthyroidism. Girl, magpa-check up ka muna bago ka humingi ng meds. Like, parang sa It Ends With Us film. Showing na ba yun sa PH? Ano yung showing? Yun. Like, sobrang nagalit siya dun sa friend niya. Tapos parang nung nag-e-explain ako sa kanya, kinausap ko kasi siya. Sabi ko, na bakit mo naman ako binabakuran? Like, nag-enjoy ako sa date natin, but obviously, one date pa lang yun. And I would like to get to know you more, but like, you're free to get to know other people as well, and so am I. Because we only went out once, ganun. Tapos yun. Hi. Aha, ang savage. Pero sa London, showing na daw. Ang alin. Hello, Celia Furniture. Stay safe and thank you in advance. Happy holidays. You're so gorgeous. Thank you. Bakit ba may aso? Hi, pretty Shanika. Hello, Gilo X Palakat. Gano'n ka katagal malasing? I don't know. Kasi hindi na ako umiinom ng madami. Baka possessive yun kapag naging kayo na. I don't know, maybe. What's your lippy right now? Plush Flame in corset. Listening, tambay lagi sa live mo. Hi. Oh well. Paano ka naging fluent sa English? Wala. Ano? Actually, honestly, TV nung bata ako. I loved watching cartoons na English. Ate, friend niyo po ba si Krisha? Hindi. Hindi kami friends, but I do follow her because I find her beautiful. Manood ka Netflix English para mahasa sa English. Yes, that's actually so true. Cartoon Network. Can you share ba't kayo nag-break ng LDR-BF mo? Nag-break kami because honestly, ang higpit niya. Ang higpit niya, it was too much for me. Like cultural differences na rin. And yeah, parang I felt like I was being held back. Like I wouldn't be where I am right now if kami pa. Kahit anong suotin mo sa'yo. Kahit anong suotin mo, bagay sa'yo siya. Hindi ka the same. Thank you. Yeah. Like, ang bilis ng progress ko nung nag-break kami. I've moved out. I've opened businesses. I worked so hard. I was able to buy my dream car, an apartment, ganun. So, like, talagang medyo malaking distraction siya. Pero, kasi, like, hindi rin, I don't know, feel ko, iba na hanap ko ngayon sa partner, kailangan matured na. Kasi nung kami, I feel like there were a lot of, like, things that he needs to work on, especially since he's, like, a year younger than me. So, yeah. So, more of, like, as well as, I'm not gonna take it away na Muslim siya. So, like, sobrang iba yung beliefs niya. And although hindi niya ako pinapag-convert, like, his expectation of what I believe in, like, ang pilit for me. Like, example, syempre, Christian ako, Catholic ako. So, parang, there are things that I'm willing, and there are things that, like, I could change my mind with and perspective. Pero, there are things that, like, I believe on my own, kasi I have my own identity, eh. So, nung kami, parang, I said I was willing to convert. Pero, of course, hindi naman overnight na lahat ng paniniwala nila growing up. Paniniwala ko na din. Like, it takes time. So, yun, dun nagkaroon ng problema. And I think it was like, isa na rin big factor is, it was very like, nakakulong yung feeling. Like, I couldn't be me and I couldn't figure things out on my own. Kasi, yun. So, you broke up with him. Parang same. Nagpapa-underarm diet ka din po ba? Iba yung ginagawa sa akin, Angel White. Something like that. Tagalogin mo ate para di niya maintindihan in case nanonood. Honestly, wala na akong pake kung nanonood siya. Kasi minsan nanonood siya. And wala na akong pake if nanonood siya. Bala siya. Naging friends nga kami. Tapos, which is good. Tapos parang biglang out of nowhere, like, blinak niya ako. So, I'm like, stress. Like, hindi ako maging affected. So, yeah. Relate ako dyan. INC ako, siya naman kasi like, ayaw na magulang niya magpa-convert. So, siya, ayun, we broke up. Ayun, tapos, ano pa ba? Like, what's your take in love now sa lahat ng experience mo? I think love alone is not enough. Parang love is best paired with consideration. Ate, anong age ka gusto ko magka-fam? Gusto ko magka-fam? Honestly, if the right person like presents himself to me right now, I don't mind having a family right now. I also don't mind waiting. I also don't mind having a family 5 years later. Happy birthday, Sueno John Lester. Another thing is like, for me, dati kasi ang belief ko with love is about sacrifices. Kasi like, how can you sacrifice something if you don't love them? Like, you must really love a person to sacrifice something, right? Para unahin mo yung isang tao. Pero, now, ang belief ko with love is like, you can't really say that you love someone if like that person is like making you abandon yourself. So, I think if I'm gonna explain love and I'm gonna use a different word, it would be consideration. It would be like considering how the other feels. It would be, love is about like, there's no need to sacrifice when it comes to love. Like, just like, be empathetic towards them, consider their feelings, good or bad. Alam mo yun? "27 na si ate siya." Yes, I'm 27. Old guy or mas bata? Honestly, preferably older. Because I like men with experience. And I like men who are intellectual. And usually, these are like the older people. Sila yung may experience in life, yung may matututunan ka, and like, who can lead and guide you. But like, if a guy is younger than me and like he's so matured and intellectually capable, then sure, why not? Yes, I'm 27. Name one celebrity na nanligaw sa'yo. I wouldn't say ligaw, but like, pinormahan, nilande, ganun. There has been a few. Like, I've went out on dates with a few. Being said, are you going to continue How I Met Your Father series on your YouTube? Yeah, I do want to continue it kasi like, it's not about, the story is not about him. The story is about my life too. Like, if napanood yung first episode, I shared like bits and pieces of myself in the intro. So like How I Met Your Father, diba? It wasn't just about Robin. It was like about like different partners he had in life until like he was able to like figure out himself, get to know himself better while finding a career. So like,
I want that series to be like that. Na parang, okay, he was a face, learned a lot, but this vlog is about me. And of course, I will share kung sino man the next person that comes into life. But like, until, like, the How I Met Your Father series is not about just me and him. I don't know if you get that. Nagkaroon ka na ng ex? Yes, of course. Do you have exes? Yes, of course. Small guy or tall guy? Oh my god, guys. Dati, I don't care about height as long as they're like taller than me. Like, as long as like, mas matangkad lang sa akin. But ever since I went out on a date with a 6'3" guy, wow, mas na-attract na ako sa 6-footer. Like, 6 pataas. Like, iba. I see. Looking forward to that. Yeah, honestly, sobrang na-plot ko na yung videos. Tinatamad lang talaga akong i-edit. Kasi nakakatamad. Nakakatamad na. Nakakatamad na siya. Ate, patulog ka na po ba or aalis ka po? Kakauwi ko lang. Actually, hindi nakakauwi kasi ang tagal ko na sa live. Nagsak na pala ako sa mga exam. How do you see yourself in 5 years' time? In 5 years' time, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32. Hopefully, may asawa at anak na ako by that time. Traveling the world, living in a different country, pilot, successful businesses, and having a fun, fulfilling, adventurous lifestyle. I love how business-minded you are. I ordered staples, by the way. Thank you. You really don't have bad angles. Highs. Oh, thank you. Thank you for ordering staples. Say hello from Indonesia. Hi, Berry Triadi from Indonesia. Miss Shanika, I'm pretty po. Thank you, Leah Vanessa. Ang ganda top mo. Jelly. Yeah, I got it from Mopi Clothing. Buy from them, guys. Like, sobrang ganda ng stuff nila. Yes, yung shop na yun, nakapin. Hi from Canada, Super Bong. Ingat, baka mabasohan, idol. Okay, thanks. Earrings from Shopee ko lang nabili to. It's giving Bottega Veneta inspired earrings. Yung earrings ni Kylie Jenner. Parang Mexican, like your vibe at the shop. Always inspiring me to be like you as a girl, support girls, like your perspective, mindset, POV in your life. Thank you, Camilla. By the way, I love your friendship with Danica, BFF goals. Yeah, thank you. Magbabali kami this September sa birthday niya. Are you full-blooded Pinay? 85% Pinay, 15% American. Eurasian beauty siya. Lagi sinasabi yan. Yung palip-pilis po kayo ng lips ate, hindi. Lumalabas na nga yung tunay. So, gusto ko nga eh. Pero wag na. Like, hindi siya malaki, guys. Bakit just nasabi yan? Pag naka-side view. Lagi ko lang talagang linalagpas dito. Lips. Kala ka before matapabe ka ate sa picture lang. Simula nakita kita sa live, ang ganda. Oo, lagi na iniisip na matake ako, pero hindi naman talaga. may plan po kayo magpa-cut ng hair? No. Ever since I was young, I loved long hair. And I just can't imagine myself having short hair. I like your nose, ate. Kaya pala ang ganda talaga pag may mix. Thank you. May mga nagsasabi, gawa daw ilong ko, pero hindi naman. Oh, ayun, walang tahi. Asan tahi dyan? Kapag nakasalubong ka po, pwede ka po magpa-picture. Yes, of course. Pero plano niyo din po ba mag-settle sa US? No. Ate Sean, paano sumali sa mega giveaway mo? So, guys, can you guys share? Favor naman. Since lagi naman tayo nag-uusap and friends na tayo. Can you guys share may video. Ito. Yung giveaway. Can you guys share that? Thank you. Paano sumali? Okay, so share ko lang na like, on the caption, may shinare akong website. And then, mag-register lang kayo. Tapos yun, you have a chance to win free flights na. Baka yung dad niyo, ate, kanos mo po. Mix, yung mom and dad ko. Kanos ko. Both. Good evening, Briones Ferrets the Great. Late ka na nag-join na. Nagpapa-aesthetics ka po kayo, who I always admire you. What do you mean by that? What do you mean? Kailan yung raffle, ate? They'll announce it. Pero ngayon, pwede pa. Kasi 100 yung giveaway. As in, free flights to Siargao, Boracay, Puerto Princesa, Dubai. Ang dami. So, blaan yung kanina ate na laser siguro. Ate, pa-meet and greet ka naman, please. Haha. Like, haifu po, ganun. Hindi ako na nagpapa-haifu. Dati, ginagawa ko siya. Pero I noticed kasi, maintenance siya. So, ayoko na ng mga bagay na parang like, temporary lang. So, ang ginawa ko, nagpa-threads ako. Pa-threads ako here. Facial threads. Tapos, ayun, sobrang lumiit yung face ko. Tapos, hindi ko na siya inulit. Magpa-meet and greet daw ako. Meet and greet with the fans in person. Dati ginagawa ko yan eh. Can you share the clinic? Luminous. Kamusta po aviation career nyo? Ayun, okay naman. Fresh, Jayla Bautista. Thanks, babe. May plan ka ate magpa-rhinoplasty? Wala. I don't think I need it. At saka ayoko kasi, like, hindi naman guaranteed yung result eh. Like, nakikita ko yung iba may keloid yung nose or like, and honestly, I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. Miss you, Azula. Yeah, masisira lang nose ko kasi like, yung iba naman hindi maayos yung healing or what. Like, you can never tell for sure. Like, only do it if you need it. I don't need it. Mukha mo po si Yasi Pressman. Yeah. Sinasabi nga nila. Pero ayaw niya. Ayaw niya pag sinasabi yun. Nakakatawa. Kondo. Absolutely gorgeous. Kahit natural lang. Thank you. Pak, natural lang ganda. Thanks, Angeli Francisco. Ano po yun ate, pag naging senior citizen na sila tapos nakubit na? Haha, what do you mean? What do you mean? Get ready with me live naman po sana next time. Girl, I do that in the morning. Sino po dentist nyo? Dental clinic? Ano lang? Pupunta lang ako ng Metro Dental. Hindi ako naka-veneers. These are my real teeth. Okay. Ayaw niyang sinasabi na magkamukha kami. Ang puti ng ngipin. Thanks. Tamang ano lang. May ginagamit akong mouthwash. Nagpa-brace kayo ate? Hindi. May ginagamit akong mouthwash kasi nakakaputi siya ng ngipin. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-dental strips ng Crest. Pero effective yung Crest. Do you smoke po? Not really. Mas maganda ka sa kanya ate. Thanks, I guess. TheraBreath. TheraBreath yung mouthwash, yung whitening. Medyo mahal siya, pero worth it naman. Kasi like, you know, may walang filter yan. Tapos ang bango ng breath mo for like a really long time. Natry ko na yung ibang mouthwash, Oral-B, Colgate, Crest, whatever. Hindi tumatagal. Temporary lang yung pagka-fresh ng breath. Pero itong TheraBreath, tagal. Nung freshness. As in, kahit matulog ka, pagising mo, fresh pa rin yung breath mo. Actually, ginagamit pa nila Rai Velasco eh. Wow, that's bad. Thanks. Ang lamig na kasi September na, yeah. Alam niyo, malapit na manonood na ako ng House of the Dragon. Malapit ko na i-end tong live pa. TheraBreath, yes. Yeah, meron nun sa Shopee. Guys, nagpo-post kasi ako ng recos. Alam nyo, I really want to like, share more. Yeah, US brand siya. Kaya ako siya na-discover kasi yung mga fina-follow ko sa TikTok, puro mga taga-US. Tapos like, yung backstory niya, naka-braces siya, ginagamit niya yung mouthwash na yun. Alam niya, kapag naka-braces daw, mabilis mag-yellow yung teeth kasi nga, nagsistain yung braces. So, nagulat siya, nung tinanggal yung braces niya, ang puti pa din ng ngipin niya kasi ginagamit niya yung mouthwash na yun. Nung nagpalit siya ng mouthwash, naging yellowish na yung teeth niya. So, binalik niya yung mouthwash na yun. Doon ko siya na-discover. Alam niyo guys, nagpo-post ako, pero ewan ko, parang I don't know. Do you guys have any tips or recommendations on how you guys, like what posts you wanna see from me? Like, I wanna grow my community with you guys, ganun. No, okay, natry ko na lahat ng colors. Natry ko yung blue, yung pink, kasi gusto ko, like, experiment ako eh. Gusto ko matry lahat. Dalawa yung ginagamit ko. So, yung pampaputi is yung parang crystal, yung sparkling. May nakalagay na whitening. Yun yung pampaputi. Parang silver siya na dalawa yung silver eh. Yung isa hindi, basta nakalagay whitening. Yun. Tapos, yung isa, yung nakaka-fresh talaga ng breath. As in, kahit pag tulog mo, pagising mo, fresh pa rin ang breath mo. 6 hours later, yung green, yung original flavor. Yun. So, dalawa. So, So, kapag aalis ako, ginagamit ko yung green para fresh yung breath ko the whole day. Tapos, kapag nasa bahay lang ako, and matutulog na ako, ginagamit ko yung whitening. So, yun. I highly recommend get both. Tapos, like, walang stinging effect yung green. Wala talaga. So, parang like, ang galing. Ang bango talaga ng lotion ko. Namoy ko pa rin hanggang ngayon. Hi. Kasi yung bag ko. Ayun o. Di ba ang galing? Ito talaga yung labi ko. Ito. So, ito. Na-fake ko. Galing. Rouge. What do you mean, like, social media detox bid if you can, for a week, only using a dumb phone? What's that? What do you mean? Explain further. No. Hindi okay yung blue and yung pink. Ang ginagamit ko lang, yung whitening, pinakalagay na whitening, at saka yung green. Hindi yung silver. Dalawa kasi yung silver nila. Ito. Ito siya. Hindi siya sold out, girl. Ayan o, search mo. TheraBreath Whitening. TheraBreath Whitening. Ayun, may whitening. Ito siya. Oh. Ayun, hindi siya plain silver. Dalawa kasi yung silver nila. Baka ito yung nakita mo. Hindi ito ah. Hindi ito. Hindi yung may plus. Hindi yan. Itong may nakalagay na whitening. Yun. Yun o. Pati nang yun to. Any advice sa mga babae afraid bumitaw sa partner kasi iniisip that it's scared to be alone? Girl, get a hobby. Go out with your friends. Alam niyo ba, nung Saturday, for the first time, kasi halos lahat ng friends ko either taken in a relationship or ang hirap ayain. So, ang ginawa ko for the first time, umalis ako mag-isa. As in, nag-ayos ako, pumunta ako sa bar, sa baba, umalis ako mag-isa. Although at first, it was a little bit, like, boring. Eventually, like, I had so much fun. Umuwi ako ng 5 a.m. So, like, get a hobby, make more friends, make new friends, enjoy life. Like, time is so important. Life is so short. You only live once. You're only young once. And might as well make the most out of it. Make sure that, like, your life is the best, you know, at present. Hindi yung magiging the best in the future. Like, make sure right now you're happy. So, if this partner is love mo but not making you happy and you're getting hurt, oh my God, leave. It's hard. It's hard. Kasi I've been there. Like namimiss mo. But you're never gonna be happy. If you're not happy now, you're not gonna be happy in the future. Trust me on that. Like, why do you expect and why do you think na magbabago or may magbabago or magiging happy ka if hindi ka na happy ngayon? Like, why do you think that way? It's not gonna happen. Any advice sa mga in-laws na pakilamera? In-laws na pakilamera. Honestly, detach. If pakilamera sila, then like, create a boundary. You don't need to always talk to them. You don't need to show up to them. Like, be on your own world. Only interact with them when needed and when you have to. If not, enjoy your life. Huwag ka na ma-stress na kailangan mo pa silang isipin, i-please, whatever. You tried it didn't work, okay, fine, whatever. Jancy, I miss you. Visit me naman. Pagluluto kita. As in, like, pagluluto kita ng Bicol Express, binagoongan, or beef and mushroom, or steak, or pasta. Just come here. Come here. Cut them silently. Yes, correct. If, like, you have in-laws na pakilamera, detach. If you already tried making them like you, you're not gonna, hindi mo kailangan itaya yung buong buhay mo to please them. Would you stay being a single mom than settling for your baby daddy's narcissistic and manipulative? Yes. Yes, of course. Like, that's like one of my greatest fears in life. Na, like, I want, hopefully, like, everyone does want to have, like, a full, happy, keyword, happy family. But if it's not, if it's with a narcissistic, manipulative person, mas magiging masaya ka pang single. And it doesn't mean your life is over. You're still gonna meet someone. You know? Fancy, come visit me. Cute ng lip gloss ko. Sweet. Okay na, guys. Pagod na ako. Maraming salamat sa ating chikahan. As per usual, I always enjoy like talking to you guys. You guys make me happy. You guys, honestly, you guys are like an outlet for me. Like, of course, I have friends, but like, sometimes nagkakaumayan na rin kami. And walang mapag-usapan. And some are busy. So like, I really, really do appreciate whenever I go live. I feel happy, content, and then I feel like I don't feel like I'm so like I'm alone. Like I feel fulfilled. Hindi ko kailangan ng partner because I have you guys to talk to. Kaya almost every day ako nagla-live. Hindi nyo ba nababansin? Kasi nag-enjoy talaga ako. Pero kailangan ko nang mag-live sa TikTok. So please, gusto ko kayong dalhin lahat. And then bring you guys sa TikTok. Nag-enjoy din ako. Marami ako natututunan sa'yo. I love you, ate. You inspire me how to be a good adult. Oh, thank you. Hi, Kit. Kanina, gusto ko lumabas. But now, Like, adulthood is hard. That is the reality. Yeah, it is hard, but it's life. You just have to do it. And actually, you can find the tools to make it easier for you. Like, practicing stoicism, listening and getting advice from intellectual people or people who have like overcome already like the issue that you're going through. Like, there are tools that can help you navigate life. Like ako, may mentors ako that are like 40 years old. Because like, they're advanced. Like, napagdaanan na nila yung napagdaanan ko. May business mentor din ako. Tapos, may life mentor din ako. So, yeah. Advice to early 20s. But, kapag kausap kita, nakakalma. Oh my God, I feel the exact same way, Camila. Pag kausap ko kayo, ay nagla-live ako, I feel calmer and content. Like, fulfilled. I don't feel anxious. Ano sinasabi mo, Kit? Anong screwdriver? Can you make kwento about your flying journey? Honestly, next time na. I'm working on it. Next time na. Sis, ask lang bakit wala nang post si Moon Beauty. Kasi close na si Moon Beauty. Nag-sold out na kami. But abangan soon. I have more things in store for everyone. Sabi ko na ate, may same vibe tayo. Anyway, bye guys! Bye! Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna watch House of the Dragons now. Bye!